Hello all. Bit of a different view from the other side. A view that cannot normally be shown because the Almere module is out, which is normally here in the middle of the room. And the reason for that is I had an open house yesterday. Had 15 guests. Some people from the Rocrail forum and some of the club members from the M-Track club that I'm a member of. It was a really good day. People with some problems with some tracks got fixed up, and they enjoyed a run of this layout. So it was a really good day. Last week I had my first operating session for guests. That was a young lad, Sfera, who's 11 years old, with his dad. They drove an hour from where they're located to operate on the layout. Sfera really enjoyed building the trains and running the layout, so that was good fun too. So, all ready for the open house I'm having today. So I've removed the Almere module, which is right in the middle of the room working with. Yeah, so the Almere module's been removed, so there's plenty of room now here to walk around the layout. Just don't run the trains that go to the Almere terminal station and central control panel for Rocrail, which is part of the presentation or what people come to look for. The street, the visitors see a sign, they can enter without knocking. It's just a walk-in session today. People can come and go as they want. Inside the hall, just an indication of where the main layout is upstairs. And then in the hall here, people enter. Entrance for the open house, coffee and tea and cakes and all that sort of thing. And the other setup we've got is the module of the M-Track, also run by the Rocrail system. So the buffet area, self-serve, coffee, tea, drinks, snacks during the day. The general sit-down area, people can have a chat. And then the modular layout we've got set up with the shuttle in, so that basically 3 locks and the Rocrail control can run backwards and forwards here on the module. So that's the modular layout. The Almere module temporarily stored here in the workroom, out of the way for the open house we just had So now we'll put the module back in its place. Okay, putting the Almira module back in its place. It's got it's a wedge. It's a wedge shape, so you just push it in and it centers by itself. Up. About. Okay, now close. And there's a one of these things you can use to bring in tension. Just tighten that up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, hook up the power. Oh, that's 25 pin connector. There we go. Now, should be all ready to go. Power's up. I'll just run the connect up the piece of overhead here so that the commuter train can run back into its position at the station. Let's just see if that runs in okay. The so-called MAT 46. Yeah, nice and smooth. Okay, the module's back in operation. Ready for use. That's worked out quite well, the module. It takes up a lot of space in the room here. So if you've got a lot of visitors, then good idea to just remove it. Okay.